Hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to this course on Introduction to Programming. In this particular video, we are going to see what are the contents of this particular uh, subject. This course is designed to build your foundation in programming using structured and easy to follow approach. So I don't know whether you have written a line of code or have a bit of coding before, but this course will help you to think like a programmer. During this course, we will explore essential topics such as basics of programming languages and what is high level language, what is low level language, what are middle level languages, and how do you define variables and data types, various control structures like if else, while, and other things, and what is the difference between functional and modular programming. And we will have a discussion on arrays and strings, what type of data structures will help us to have a better understanding of this one. And we'll also think about basic problem solving and algorithm thinking. How do you solve a particular problem? What are the steps involved in writing an algorithm? How do you draw a flowchart? At the end of the day, you'll be comfortable writing simple programs on your own based on the logic that we developed. So you'll have an hands-on experience through coding classes, coding labs, small projects we'll also do based on our weekly practice assignments. So our learning outcome has to be very clear. You learn to write syntactically correct programs, solve logical problems step by step, and build modular and in particularly reusable code. So I encourage you to be cautious, experiment with your code, and never hesitate to ask questions. Mistakes are part of the learning process. My expectations are very simple: a regular participation, and I'm anticipating more questions, completing the assignments in time, and actively engaging during the classroom. And how does we use this LMS discussion board also is vital. If you're wondering why this programming is important, think of today software runs everything from your phones to satellite. And this course is your first step into this powerful world. Let's begin this exciting journey in programming where logic meets creativity. In this particular video, I gave an overview of introduction to programming course, highlighting the key topics such as variables, constants, functions, arrays, and problem solving techniques. We have discussed the course practical orientation through labs and assignments, and we have explained the core learning outcomes and expectations of this particular subject. And through this video, the emphasis will be on the importance of regular practice and building logical thinking as a foundation of all particular foundations of these computer science subjects. So students new to programming often feel intimidated by presenting this subject in an encouraging and beginner-friendly tone. The introduction can be very gives their anxiety, but boost motivation by helping them see the relevant and real-time applications of programming. Striking a balance, giving enough deal and keeping it very simple is the key for challenging and distilling the course in a brief overview. And I have focused on core skills like logical thinking, consistent practice, and asking questions, and reassured them making mistakes in part of life. The mindset shifts crucial for beginning students. With this, the particular video